Go.
Okay, this is our motherboard, and it's basically the power for everything. And so we're just gonna put it in first at the bottom of our computer.
And this is our fan. It's going to keep everything cool and functioning properly. So I'm going to put that right here.
These are our RAMs, or our random access memories, and they display everything that you see on your computer screen.
Okay, this is our optical drive. This is the DVD player. So we're just gonna put it on this other side, and that's how we play DVDs.
Point out your CPU, Laurel, once you get that in.
Yeah, that's next. Okay, so this is our CPU, our central processing unit, and it's the brain of the whole computer, and so it gets its own fan so that it doesn't overheat because it's so important.
Okay. While they're doing that, I'll put in this. This is our graphics card, and it just makes sure that all of the images are really crisp and good.
Okay, stop screen for a sec. This is our hard drive. It stores all the information, and it just will slide in over here.
Go right ahead.
And then this blue cord will connect to the motherboard down here. Maybe.
What else is left? Do you have any other parts over there that I can?
Do you have the ribbon? Here you go.
Okay. This is our ribbon, and this is what's going to connect our optical drive to our motherboard to give it power and let everything be read.
Or you can do this one so you can plug that in. Am I in your way, or are you okay? All right. Okay. And then next we'll just hook everything up. This is where our power source will be hooked up to, and so we hook everything up to the power source so that everything is powered.
And we just make sure that everything's either connected to the motherboard and connected to the power in some way. All these random cords.
It's almost there.
Power the screws.